Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be doing a haul of what I got from Five Below, TJ Maxx, Walmart, and Amazon and Hobby Lobby. I went to all of those stores today. So first thing I'm going to be showing you is this little mochi. This little mochi, my grandma found this in her bag, actually. So we're just gonna put this in this little basket. Ow. In this little basket. I'll put it in. Next, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from Walmart, but I cannot find it. Oh, there it is. This is what I got from a claw machine. And why I don't go to Learning Expresses a lot is because I live in Charleston. And it's way too far away for a drive, but maybe like close to Christmas, I might be going to Learning Express. I'm really excited. What I said, if you can't hear me, I said I'm really excited. It's like a monkey noodle, but it has these little things, stretchy. I'll put that right there. Yeah. And next one I'm going to be showing you, it's not really a fidget, but I did get a 5 surprise. Got this thing. It's just a thing where you check if you got it. Got these things, but I have no idea what they are. And then I got this black pepper. Got this sauce. Got this Jello. And I also got these hot dogs. They're really cute. What I got from Hobby Lobby is this water timer. It's really good. This is a thing that I got from TJ Maxx. I got this unicorn poppet. It's really nice. I'm going to put it in there. Oh, and I forgot to put my water timer in there. Okay. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's a really cool stress ball. And then I got this Trimple Dimple fidget spinner from not Hobby Lobby, from TJ Maxx. It's really nice. And the spins are also really nice. I'll put it right there. And then I got this pineapple stress ball. It's really nice. Oh, and the texture right here is like bubble wrap. Kind of. Yeah, bubble wrap. It's really nice. And inside is like Orbeez. It's not like Orbeez, it is Orbeez. And then I also got this giant Neato. Huge. Okay. There. I did get this really cool banana. So it has like sand inside, but it just looks like a normal banana. Hello? Yes? Yes. And it just looks like a normal banana that you can just like play with. But actually, you can stretch it. It looks like a cool banana. And you can get it back together really easily. See, just got it back together. And there's one thing that I didn't want to show you until the last thing I got from Five Below is this really, really cute dinosaur poppet. Look how tiny the pops are. They're actually really tiny if you actually come to my house and see them. Such tiny pops. This is a bad side. Probably can't hear it. This is a good side. The tiny pops are so cute. Watch, I'm only popping one. It's so cute. Okay, I really, really like this one. That's all I got from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and my grandma's bag. Now I'm gonna go get my little container for my Five Below balls things. Can't really find it, so I'm just gonna put them inside. And I'm gonna put all of my things away in my little drawer thing. It's really cool. My drawer thing is so cool. Look. So I'll show you some things of it. First I have to open it because it's kind of hard to. So all my pop tubes, my little things that are like this, and my little things. I always forget what they're called. And I have monkey noodles at the bottom. This was for my dimples, but I brought them downstairs. All my bike chains and my ring things. This is all my marble mesh. I can show you my marble mesh. It's just they're really hard to like open. Okay, there. And here are all my marble mesh. I do have a bunch. And in here is just like these things. I do collect these, like that other girl, but I do not know what her name is. Okay, in this drawer I have a bunch of random stuff. I have water timers, little ring things that are spiky, fidget spinners, this thing, snappers, and on this, over here, over here is some pea poppers, some wacky tracks, some infinity cubes, this thing, all my Rubik's cubes, my specs. That's all for this drawer. I am skipping a drawer because it's a really cool drawer. This is my squishies and squishy ball drawer. I do have a lot. I can go ahead and put my banana squishy in there. And my giant Neato, my Orbeez ball, my other Orbeez ball. I can where's my, oh, yeah, and I also have this, like, little mochi container where I put all my mochis. I do have more mochis. Okay, and now this will go in my, monkey noodle, basket. Oh, that was hard for me to say because I forgot it. Okay, now I have a lot of water timers. I have 3 now. Now I need to put my monkey noodle thing away. Put this down here, and then put it in there. Oh, and guys, once you have like a lot of texture monkey noodles, you put them all together and like play with them, and it feels so good. So you should do that. It's really nice. And then, but on this side, I have like all my slimes that were like hidden. I got some Snoop slimes for my birthday because I really wanted that. And my secret drawer was my Poppet drawer. I do have a lot of Poppets. I'm gonna add this to my Dimples fidget spinners. I'm gonna add this to my, I keep on forgetting things. To my animal collection. I do have a lot of animals, and I do have a lot of unicorns. Or I do have a lot of fruits, and I do have a lot of candies. I have like a few big Poppets. I have a Dimple Digits, a phone case Poppet, and I got only one circle Poppet. Oh, and what I got from Amazon, it's really cool and really special to me. I got a Dimple Duo. It's really cool. I'm like never gonna trade it only if someone has so many fidgets and they trade me all of them. That's when I'll trade it. And I just got it today. Kind of like I'm trading with somebody, but I'm actually just talking on the camera thing, whatever it's called. And I made some DIY fidgets like that one. And I also made this one. And my grandma made this one. It's really fun. I did make kind of a bike chain. It does make a lot of sound, but it's really fun. I made this thingy. I don't know what it is. I did make this little tangle. I made another tangle. And then I made this giant twisted tangle. And also, I did make this Poppet. This homemade Poppet. And that's all for today's video.